back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. So today's video is birthday inspired. So my birthday is on the 23rd of April, and of course everybody's on lockdown, which is pretty much annoying, and we could not celebrate birthday as usual. My heart goes out to everybody's birthday that was around this period, myself inclusive. It was a different kind of birthday, exactly. If you understand what I'm talking about, I know your birthday fell around this period. Please leave a comment in the comment section. But before we get into the video, let's have a very, very important family meeting. Yes, it's very, very important. If you know you are not subscribed to my channel, please, why exactly are you not subscribed? Please, can you explain to me? Now, let's do this. A very, very quick exercise. First thing first, just like the video. Yes, thank you very much for liking. Then the next thing you're going to do is subscribe. Yes, the red button down there. Thank you. Then the next thing you're going to do is wish me happy birthday in the comment section. Thank you too. Now, let's get right to the video. Guys, these are the materials that you're going to need for this DIY. I'm also going to leave a list in the description box for you to check out. So the first thing you want to do is make like a base for your cake, and I use cartons to make this base. So first of all, I made 2 circles, one big one and one small one on this carton. Then I cut it out. Then after cutting it out, I needed to make the side of the base. So I needed long pieces to make the side. I then folded it into a base using the glue gun. After making the two top and bottom pieces for the base, I glue them both together. Then the next thing you want to do is to spray paint it. After spray painting and leaving it to dry, the next thing you want to do is start gluing all the candies or all the chocolate to the base. guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. It's very, very important. Come on guys. Okay, better gifts to me, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye guys, peace.